Manna House is a health education and wellness facility, and it's a community interest company where we work with the community to support their health and educate them about health to support them on their journey to what we call perfect health.
We're in a little village called Leaning Bar, Northallerton, North Yorkshire.
We provide numerous services. So we have the wellness clinic where people can come during the day to have an assessment, have a therapy as well. But we also have residential stays where people can come for a weekend, they can come for 4 to 5 days, like a kickstart, and they can also come for 7 days, which is a refresh retreat for those people who consider themselves healthy and they want to enhance their health. And for those people who have a health condition and are on medications, we have the Restore retreat, which is 10 days, and Restore Plus, which is anything more than 10 days. So those are the different services that we provide. And we also work in the community. We go to different locations across the country and we do health events in localities. The food we consider one of our strengths. We do a whole food plant-based diet and it's very, very varied. We've got an excellent cook and she's been with us since we started, in fact.
Yeah, well, everyone, when they come here, they go away and they want the recipe.
Since I've been here, it's been very nutritious, very healthy, and it's been amazing. And the thing is, they don't have to use oils and sugars and fats, you know, so I've really received a lot of health benefits from the meals that they've cooked. Everything's just been so healthy and you're fuller, longer as well. So I appreciate the health benefit I've received since being here.
There's a number of different therapies, so we can do poultices, which are small therapy, like fever baths. We do colonic hydrotherapy, massage, that's routine, standard, but ours is more of a therapeutic massage. We do different types of saunas. We have steam saunas, infrared saunas. We have lymphatic massage, and all the therapies are based on people's health needs. We have a discussion with them about which is the best therapy for them to help them on their journey to perfect health. So the body chemistry assessment is another one of our unique features. Our approach is based on the book called The Ministry of Healing. And in the Ministry of Healing, it says, in case of sickness, the cause should be identified. That's the very first thing you should be doing. The body chemistry assessment helps us to identify the cause of people's health conditions. So we do that along with other assessments. We do a consultation. We watch and observe people while they're on the retreat as well. And that gives us an understanding of some of the habits that may contribute to people's health conditions.
One of the things which not unique to Manna House, we are people of faith. And with all our therapies, we always start with prayer. And we believe that we're an empty vessel and God is working through our hands, through anything that we do.
And in terms of the Sabbath, you know, science doesn't lie. We have circadian, but we also have a circapcitan, which is a 7-day cycle. And research is emerging about the importance of a Sabbath, 7th day Sabbath rest. And so it's something that we share with our health guests. We let them know the benefits of having the 7th day Sabbath rest. And so they are willing to engage with that Sabbath day rest. All people are welcome to Manna House. It's not dependent on anyone's faith. We've had people who are Muslims, we have people who are atheists, spiritualists. We have all types of people come in here because we want our health guests to go away happy. People find out more about Manna House. We're on the web, so we've got a website and it's called Manna House Health, and Manna as in manna from heaven. So it's mannahousehealth.com, and we also have an email which is info@mannahousehealth.co.uk. So we look forward to welcoming you to Manna House.